Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Let's Grow. I hope you are very well and doing great in your life. So today's topic of discussion is benefits of canal lining. So in this video we will discuss the number of benefits of canal lining. So what is canal lining? The laying of the imperviousness layer which protects the bed and sides of the canal is called canal lining. So in this image you can clearly see that here we have done the lining of concrete material, correct? So this concrete material has been laid in the bottom as well as on the sides. So these are called as canal lining, correct? In a lined canal, the resistance to flow decreases and velocity of flow increases, correct? So when you do the lining of any of the canal, the resistance of flow decreases, correct? So if water is flowing simply into the unlined canal, then the resistance due to the soil particle will be higher as compared to the concrete surface, correct? So water can flow easily in on this above this concrete surface, hence it will reduce the resistance, correct? And once the resistance of flow decreases, it will increase the velocity of flow, correct? So if you can remember the Manning's formula, so basically if the Manning's n value is decreasing, correct, so the velocity of flow will increase, correct? So by providing the lining of the concrete, we are reducing the value of Manning's n and hence we are increasing the velocity of flow. The first benefit of the canal lining is to minimize the seepage losses through the bed and sides of the canal, correct? So once we provide the canal lining, whatever water which was lost earlier in without lining condition, that water can be saved, correct? So if you provide the lining, there will be no infiltration, correct? Whatever loss of water is there due to infiltration, that is known as the seepage losses, correct? So these seepage losses will occur only in unlined canal. Once you provide a impervious layer, then the seepage losses will be minimized, correct? It cannot be zero. Some seepage losses will be there because no material is 100% impermeable and there are certain joints between these materials too, correct? The second point is to prevent the scouring and erosion of bed and sides of the canal due to high velocity of flood water at the time of heavy rainfall, correct? So if canal is unlined and there is a flood water which is coming due to the heavy rainfall is passing, then due to the high velocity there are large chances of the scouring and erosion, correct? So the bed material of the canal will be eroded due to the high velocity, but this problem can be prevented if you provide an impervious layer or a rough surface on the canal cross section. To increase the discharge in the canal section by increasing the velocity, as we have discussed, by providing the lining we are reducing the resistance of flow and hence we are increasing the velocity, and this increase in velocity will obviously increase the discharge as per the continuity equation. To prevent the waterlogging of area which takes place due to rise in groundwater table, correct? So if there are seepage losses, due to seepage losses water will infiltrate into the ground and it will contribute to increase the water table, correct? So if the water table will increase in the surrounding areas, there are higher chances of waterlogging, correct? So if you are providing the lining, you are minimizing the seepage losses and hence you are minimizing the chances of waterlogging as well. The next point is to prevent the growth of weeds along the bed and sides of the canal, correct? So if you are providing the impervious layer, any type of vegetation, grass or weeds cannot grow, correct? And these grasses and weeds can be grow in unlined canal because the condition is suitable, good soil is present and good moisture is always present, correct? So the growth of weeds is a problem in unlined canal, but if you are providing the lining, you are preventing the growth of weeds. The next point is to minimize the cost of maintenance of the canal, correct? So if your canal is unlining, there are more and more cost involved in the maintenance, correct? So each and every time you have to make the banks very smooth and in high flood the erosion take place, sometimes banks will collapse, so there are more cost is involved in the maintenance. But if you are giving the canal impervious layer or you are providing the canal lining, however the initial cost will be higher, much more higher, but you can minimize the cost of maintenance in the later stages, correct? The next point is to increase the command area, correct? So as we have discussed in point number 7, that by increasing the velocity we can increase the discharge, and this increased discharge will contribute to increase the command area, correct? So this is how you can increase the command area using the same canal but by providing the lining, correct? So these are the 7 benefits which are due to the canal lining, correct? I hope you enjoy this video. If you really like this video, you can hit that like button, you can share our channel, and you can subscribe too. Happy learnings with Let's Grow. Thank you so much again to watch this video till the end. Okay, take care. Bye bye.